Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with access and purpose. Make sure you have administrator rights and close every terminal, IDE, and Python process so uninstallers can run. Once done, open Start, go to Settings, then Apps right arrow Apps and Features and search for Python to reveal all installed versions. You note each version and any custom install folders because later you will remove files manually. This prevents orphaned files and broken path entries that cause problems. You now remove each listed Python version. Select an entry and click Uninstall, then follow the wizard steps and allow the uninstaller to remove files and registry entries. Once done for one, repeat for all Python entries and for the Python launcher if present. If the settings uninstaller fails or shows errors, run the original installer or executable you used to install and choose Uninstall. And make sure to run as administrator, so leftover. You finish by removing remnants and verifying absence. Delete leftover Python folders and program files, x86, and your user app data, and remove any virtualenv directories you backed up. Then open System Properties right arrow environment variables and remove Python entries from path so commands won't resolve. Finally, open a new command prompt and run Python, and where Python, you should see not recognized or no results. If you still see traces, use the original installer or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.